Today we are going to do another test. We are going to try 2 different ways of making iced Americano. Before we continue, click that subscribe button. Americano is diluted espresso, so it's really espresso and water. So there are 2 ways to make it. One is the Italian way, which is really espresso, water, and then that's it. That is your Americano. If you're making it the Australian way, it is the water and then the espresso on top. That is called long black. This time it's going to be ice. So the question is, should you put the espresso, then the ice, then the water, or should you put ice, espresso, then water? Does it really matter? Because we are going to make 2 Americano here, we're going to pull 2 double shots of espresso. And the recipe that I'm going to use with the espresso here is 18 grams of coffee beans in, and we're going to the ratio of 1:2.5. This is iced coffee, so we pull 45 grams of espresso out. The first one is going to be espresso first, and then water 120 ml. And for the other one, we're going to first put the ice. I'm going to put the espresso in. To some people, it says it will shock the espresso, but let's find out whether it really matters. And then I'm going to add the same amount of water here. So this is the second version, and now I'm going to add the ice to the first one. And now for the moment of truth. Can you please let us know which one is better?
I am an avid drinker of coffee, and especially Americano. I love Americano. I have it almost every day. It's perfect on a hot day when you live in this part of the world. And so just from the looks of it, to me, this one looks better for me because it looks already mixed in, whereas this one looks like I still have to stir it. But this has a nicer like gradient like color. So yeah. Okay, so I don't know which one is which.
Right.
So let's see. Okay.
For someone who drinks Americano on a regular basis, Jerome will be a good judge for this one.
Oh, they do taste different.
They do?
They do taste different.
So which one do you prefer?
Ironically, I feel that which one has a stronger taste of coffee for me, I think it's this one. This one has like, I could straight away like taste the coffee bean. There's more body. There's like the bitterness. There's like a hint of sourness. But this one feels a lot more watered down to me. It feels
okay.
It feels like less coffee. Like smoother, but yeah, this one is more a stronger taste of coffee to me.
What we're doing here, just to clarify to those people that are looking for a scientific explanation to all these, is we're just basing it on the taste test. We're not looking at scientific explanation here.
As you stir it, they might end up very, very similar, but I do feel like there is a difference, and especially in color. Yeah. I feel like even now I can see the difference, like in color. This one looks a bit lighter. This one's a bit darker. So there's no right or wrong. Just do whatever feels right to you, whatever you like personally, and just enjoy drinking coffee.
If you're watching some of those Korean videos where they make a lot of Americanos, what they do is they put the ice, they put the water, and then the espresso last, which is really a long black. But even that is a different taste. That's for another video. Now, why don't we try making this into soft cream Americano? We can add cream on top, and let's find out how it tastes like. Okay?
Okay.
Let's put this on top of our Americano here. So what it looks like is like an ice cream Americano. Beautiful.
Quite easy to mix in. So I feel like, it blends really well with the taste of coffee.
Yeah, more like dessert, right? So even the like color now looks more like a latte.
Yeah.
I can have this all day. But over to you.
Okay.
Well, anyway, thank you for joining us today, and we hope that you come back for more of these video tutorials. If you have any questions at all, or if you make this test yourselves, do let us know what your findings are. We would be very much interested in knowing whether you came up with the same results as we did here. So we'll see you again next time. In the meantime, thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.